text to columns. Imagine you got a set of data in a text or from a website. You select them, you copy them, then you go to one of the cells in Excel and you press Ctrl V and you paste them. But as you can see, they're all being pasted into one column rather than separate columns, because Excel doesn't automatically understand that this data is supposed to be divided into different columns. In order for Excel to understand, select all the data, go to the Data tab, go to the Data Tools group, select Text to Column. In here it gives you two options: delimited or fixed width. Because our data is separated by commas, we need to select delimited and then press next. In here you should define what delimiter you have used. It's definitely not a tab, and you can see it's comma, so just select comma. But other options are semicolon, space, or you can define any other one in here. And you can have a preview of the data which looks correct. Once you're happy, press next. Here you can format different columns. You can leave them as general, text, date, but you can do that later as well. So once you're happy, press finish and you can see that all the data are now separated into different columns.